Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around to the end of the video. Today we're diving into the question, is Duolingo still the best free language learning app in 2024? Let's find out. Duolingo has been a household name in language learning for years, offering lessons in over 40 languages, all for free. But how does it hold up in 2024? What's great about Duolingo? The app is fun and easy to use. It uses gamification to keep you motivated, with streaks, badges, and leaderboards. The bite-sized lessons are perfect for busy schedules, and you can learn anytime, anywhere. Now, what's new in 2024? Duolingo has introduced enhanced AI features for more personalized feedback on pronunciation and grammar. The Duolingo Max plan, powered by GPT-4, offers even deeper explanations and real-time conversation practice. The app has also added new languages and expanded cultural lessons to help you better understand the context behind the words. The pros: it's free to use, with optional upgrades for premium features like removing ads. The app is engaging, and the lessons are designed to make learning feel like a game. It's perfect for beginners and casual learners looking to get started with a new language. But what about the downsides? While Duolingo is fantastic for vocabulary and basic grammar, it may not be enough for advanced learners or achieving full fluency. Also, the ads in the free version can be a bit intrusive, though they're easy to remove with a subscription. So, is Duolingo still the best free language learning app in 2024? Absolutely. For most people, it's a great tool to get started. While it's not perfect, its accessibility and engaging format make it hard to beat. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what language you're learning and how Duolingo has helped you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.